Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this isometric drawings. This is AutoCAD isometric drawing. It's not 3D, it is isometric drawing. This is tutorial number 1. Okay. To draw this drawing, please open the AutoCAD software. This is AutoCAD 2017 version. Choose the workspace here, drafting and annotation. Then choose the isometric drafting here. Is off, this is on. The green and red. Okay, and to change the view, this is the top view. Use the F5 key. F5 key is the isometric plane right, isoplane left, isoplane top. Using the F5 key. F5 function 5 key. Okay. Erase a previous drawing. Okay, to draw the drawing, check the unit. Precision 0.0 millimeters. Okay. Great. I will show you step by step. It is 180. Okay. F5 right plane line. Yes. 180. This is this line. And then is 40. F L key 40. 0 and then use 180 the grid. Okay, complete this round. Okay, then use this side. This is the isoplane left. Okay, 100. F5 key isoplane left. L line key here 100. Here the width is 40. Okay, and then this is the 60 half 60 gap here. So this is 100 minus 60 is 40. So that will be 20. Okay, line key 20, and then upright 20 here. That the line will be 60. 60 here and 20 here. Connect. Very simple. Here. Complete this one, and then use this one to the isometric drawing. L key here to this to change F5 and change the view top isoplane top. Here. Train command. Enter. Click here. Okay. Very slowly, easy, step by step. Here. And then we draw this one. This one is the total length is 180. So 180 minus 120 will be 60. 60 divided by 2, that may be 30. 30. Okay. Here 30 here. Then click here. Turn command to remove the axis line. Here, complete. And then the height will be 20. This height will be 20. Okay. This height will be 20. Line F5 isoplane left 20. Enter. And then we have to calculate the heights. This 100 minus 40 will be 60. The height will be 60. Line key 60. Okay. Slowly, easy, careful. Then the length is 40 here. L key 40. And then connect the line. Okay, this is complete. Okay, the length is will be 20. Okay, to connect the we first 120 here. Isoplane top F5 120 here. Then the length is will be 40 here. 40 here. And this height will be 120. Copy the 120. Okay. CP copy here, here, here. Will be here 120. 120. Okay. Sorry. CP here. This point will be copy to copy. Okay. Then line will be here. Right plane 20. Okay. Then this line will complete top plane. Choose top plane L to click OK. Then using trim command, click OK. Now I draw this cycle. This cycle is will be the head of the line, head of the 120. Okay. I don't know 120. This head is 20. Okay. Firstly, I have to draw 20 20. CP here, it here 20 here. Okay. To draw the cycles. To draw the cycle here, isometric drawing, not using cycle, using elite elite enter, and using isocycle, click isocycle. Okay, here the midpoint cycle, and to change the view, that will be F5 right. Okay, radius 20 here, then radius 20 will be 20. To change the 20 line will be here, and for the line to 20 20, and using the line to 20 20. Then use connect the line to here. Then move the cycle, lead points to that point. Okay, and then use this cycle to just like that. CP copy, select cycle, click here, change the view, top view to 20 here. Okay, step by step. Then use CP key to here 20. Use the line to 20 20. Then use line key to here 20 20 20. Then use line key to here, change the view, top view to 20. Yeah, this will be okay. Using trim command to delete unnecessary line. Okay, careful. Here. Okay, erase the line. Okay, that will be okay. just like this. This drawing is X. Okay, this is drawing. Okay, and using this height where we line the midpoint to 20 here, here, aligned to change the view to 20 and connect the line. Okay, step by step line to here, change the F height to here. Trim necessary, but okay, here, here, very simple here, very simple. Okay, then to change to draw this line where B line here, change the view to top 20 here, connect line here, line click here, change the view right 20, connect line, and then line command use, change the view to right 20. You will use the F5 key to that U1 view. Okay, trim command, yeah, trim, and then using line here to the point, and then using line key to that point. Okay, trim command here to delete unnecessary. Okay, line key to here, change the view to the point. Trim command here, trim. Okay. Okay, very simple. Now easily you will get this hole, radius 20 and the position is 40 and a half. Okay, 40 and a half. Okay, CP copy this line to 40 here, and the line here to the half. Okay, extend, click object, enter the extended line here, and okay, using the cycle to here, choose the isoplane up top, ellipse,